Hello students, now I am going to teach your chapter 2. Your topic name is fraction. So now first we will discuss about your fractions and then after all types of fraction. So now what is your fraction? Now look here, this is a whole. This is a whole. When we divide into some equal parts to your whole, some equal parts. Suppose that here now dividing 4 equal parts, then each part is the fraction of your given whole. This is your fraction. Each part. Here how many parts? There are 4 parts. Then each part is a fraction of your given whole. So your fraction of this shaded part is what? 1 by 4. Fraction of this shaded part is 1 by 4. So 1 is what? 1 is your numerator and your 4 is your denominator. And your unshaded part, here how many unshaded part? The 3. So what is the fraction of this unshaded part? This is your 3 by 4. Your fraction of unshaded part is 3 by 4. So what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 means what? Actually 1 by 4 means your 1/4. 1/4 means your 1 part out of 4 parts. 1 part you're out of 4 parts. In the same way, 3 by 4 means your 3 parts out of 4 parts. So if you combine your shaded part and unshaded part, your whole is, that is 1. It means your 1 by 4, it means your shaded part and unshaded part. Your sum of shaded and total unshaded part is what? This is your 1. So 1 is your whole. This is your whole. So this is the definition of fraction. Your definition of fraction is a when you cut your whole into some equal parts, then each equal part is the fraction of your given whole. So this is your fraction. And your upper part, this is 1 by 4. So 1 is what? 1 is your numerator and 4 is your denominator. So this is your fraction for your shaded part and this is your fraction for your unshaded part. Now we'll discuss about your types of your fraction. Types of fraction. There are many types of fraction. One is your proper, second improper, third mix, fourth your equivalent, and then like, and then unlike. In this way, now we'll discuss about your types of fraction. So first is your proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? Proper fraction means a fraction whose numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. Okay, your example 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 9 by 11. Look here, 2 is your numerator and 5 your denominator, and here 2 is less than your denominator. So this is your proper fraction. Proper fraction means your fractions having numerator is less than your denominator. So this is your proper fraction. And second is your improper fraction. Improper means just opposite of your proper. It means here numerator is greater than or is equal to, greater than or is equal to your denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. Yeah, is equal to. Maybe your numerator and denominator both are equal. Numerator is greater than your denominator. Your examples: 5 by 2. This is your numerator and this is your denominator, and here 5 greater than 2, and 7 by 3, 15 by 12, 20 by 10. In this way, these are the examples of your proper fraction. Now, third is your mixed fraction. Now, third is your mixed fraction. So what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means fractions, your combination of fractions, which is your combination of your whole number and a proper fraction. Your combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. This is your mixed fraction. Your combination of a whole number and a proper fraction means, suppose that 2 is your whole number, and 2 whole 1 by 5. Look here, 2 whole 1 by 5, this is a fraction which is combination of this number, the combination of your whole number, and 1 by 5 is what? 1 by 5 is your proper fraction. So this is the combination of a whole and a proper fraction. So this is the definition of your mixed fraction. One more example. So with the 5 whole 4 by 9. Look here, 5 is a whole number, and 4 by 9 is your proper. So this is the combination of whole and a proper fraction. Now next, like fraction. So what is like fraction? Fractions having your same denominators. Fractions having your same denominators, that is your like fraction. Same denominator. Means your examples: 4 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 12 by 5. Look here. Here denominator what? 5, and all fractions having the same denominator. Your denominator is 5. So this is your like fraction. And now unlike. Unlike means the just opposite of your like. It means fractions having your different denominators. Fractions having your different denominator. This is different denominator. Okay, your examples are your unlike fractions: 4 by 3, 2 by 4, 5 by 9. Look here, our denominators are different. In first fraction, your denominator is 3. In the second fraction, your denominator is 4. In the third fraction, your denominator is 9. It means here denominators are different. So these are your unlike fractions. Now equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means what? If a by b, if a by b in the form of your fraction, a by b in the form of your fraction, then your numbers and m and n, your non-zero integers, then suppose that your n is, suppose that 2, a by b into 3, a by b into 4, in this way. It means your a by b is equal to a into 2 by b into 2 is equal to a multiplied 3 by b multiplied 3 is equal to a into 4 by b into 4. It means here multiplying the same number in both numerator and denominator. So this is your equivalent. Equivalent means what? Equal means equal. Equal values. It means fractions having equal values. Suppose that your one number is 1 by 3. Now write 5 equivalent fractions of 1 by 3. So fractions are what? 1 multiplied 2. The same numbers you both multiply in numerator and denominator. 1 multiply 4. 1, 2, 3, and then in this way you can find your number of equivalent fractions of 1 by 3. So this is your equivalent fractions. Now your lowest form. Lowest form. What is lowest form? Now, lowest form means if a by b is your fraction, then there is no common factors of a and b other than 1. It means a by b is said to be your lowest form if there is no common factor other than 1. So this is your lowest form. Suppose that your number is 4 by 6. Now how to convert into lowest form? First you find your HCF of 4 and 6, then after divided both HCF in numerator and denominator. It means first you find your HCF of 4 and 6, and here HCF is, I think your HCF is 2. Now 4 divided 2 and 6 divided 2, 2 by 3. Now look here, 2 by 3, there is no common factor of 2 and 3, only here common factor is 1. It means your HCF is 1. Your HCF of 2 and 3 is 1. So this is your lowest form. Here your another name of lowest form is simplest form. Okay, so now your last point is conversion of unlike into like. It means how to convert your unlike fraction into your like fraction. look here, this is the conversion of unlike into like. It means suppose that 4 by 3 and 7 by 5. These are unlike fractions. 4 by 3 and 7 by 5 both are unlike fractions. Now we want to convert your unlike fraction into like fraction. It means first you find LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Your LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now convert into your unlike fraction into like fraction. It means with the same denominator. 4 by 3 is equal to your 15 divided by 3, that is equal to 5. Now 5 multiply both numerator and your denominator. This is 20 by 15. 7 by 5. 7 multiply 3 by 5 multiply 3. 21 by 15. Now look here. 20 by 15 and here 21 by 15. Your both fractions have your same denominator. Both fractions are your like fractions. Okay students, thank you. Then we'll discuss your next topic in next video.